Dear children, today I am going to tell you a story called Angel and the Woodcutter. Once a woodcutter was cutting down a tree on the bank of the river. His axe slipped out of his hand and fell into the water. He began to cry as he was too poor to buy a new one. An angel appeared on the scene. The woodcutter asked for his help. The angel dived into the river and came out with a golden axe, but the woodcutter refused to take it. The angel dived again and brought a silver axe, but this too was refused by the woodcutter. He dived for the third time. This time he brought an iron axe. The woodcutter accepted it very gladly. The angel was very pleased with his honesty and gave him the other two axes as a reward. Moral: honesty is its own reward. Dear children, if you like our story, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to comment. Now I will meet you in our next video. Bye.